Hey everyone, and welcome back to LGQUEEN Home Decor. It's been quite some time since I last showed this space, and in today's video I'm going to be giving this room a complete transformation. The washer and dryer in here are over 10 years old, and one of them has had to have multiple repairs, so we're going to be updating them while also changing everything else in here. You will get to see multiple areas renovated and how I use different strategies to organize to make this laundry room aesthetically pleasing and more functional. Thank you to all my returning supporters tuning in today. Thank you to Lowe's for sponsoring a portion of this video. Now let's get started. As we're finishing up removing everything out of this laundry room, we're going to next move on to painting this room another color and also update the flooring. It can be challenging sometimes on how to start a room update and which direction to go sometimes. If you're looking to potentially give a space in your home a refresh, I want to share with you how a project like this can be simplified and where I was able to find unique items to elevate this space. Today's portion of the video is sponsored by Lowe's, and when it comes to updating spaces in the home, there are so many ways Lowe's can help everyone to achieve their unique goals. For the new paint on the walls, I went with the color Retreat in a flat finish that Lowe's offers from the Valspar series. I wanted to do something different in this space and try a different paint color. Something about this screen made me want it all over the walls in this little area. All of our ceilings came white in this space, but to add some more contrast to the space, we ended up getting the color Retreat again. But Lowe's customized it to be 50% darker, which was great to dramatically enhance the appearance here on the ceiling. After painting, my husband is now removing the shoe molding from all sides in the room. Now the current flooring in here is vinyl, which was installed when we got our home. Since the floors are in good shape and are clean, we actually won't be removing this material or have to add a moisture barrier since the linoleum already acts like one. I ended up finding this beautiful luxury vinyl plank from Lowe's that has a marble effect and pattern by Pergo Dura Craft. Each piece comes as a 12 by 24 inch and features stunning designs throughout each piece to really lift the appearance of this area. The great thing about LVP is you don't have to mix concrete mortar or need a wet saw to cut this. Each piece can be measured and scored with a utility knife and then snapped to fit your precise measurement for placement. The entire floor here is about 49 square feet, and we were able to give this floor a new look with less than 3 boxes of this LVP. This is also very fast to be placed down. It can last for years to come and is waterproof. Since the LVP will transition to the carpet, my husband is going to cut the carpet back and get it ready for a transition piece. I ended up going with this marble transition strip by Project Source, and it's a perfect match for the LVP to pair with the marble veining design. The base strip can be measured to cut, screwed down, and then the top transition piece easily snaps into place. For the new shoe molding, my husband is using the cordless 18-gauge brad electric nail gun from Cobalt that allows him to quickly nail all trim pieces to the baseboard. No compressor is needed or long hoses, and this allows quick installation and a great tool for DIY projects such as this one. Here's how the new flooring will look in this laundry room. Now that all the walls and floor work is complete, we're going to have the new appliances delivered in. What I really enjoy about Lowe's online or in store is that I was able to take advantage of their competitive prices and sales they have running that allowed me to save hundreds of dollars off. I ended up choosing a different color this time around, as the ones we had before were a stainless steel finish. The unit to the left is the Samsung Smart Front Load Washer with Super Speed Wash and Steam in color choice ivory. The unit to the right is the Smart Electric Dryer with Steam Sanitize Plus and Sensor Dry in color choice ivory. I also was able to score a discount online for the matching pedestals here below as well, which not only raises the units higher but also allows you to maximize space and store needed items inside. What I like about these units is the speed they offer to wash and dry, the capability to steam clean, and also the capacity of which they hold. The washer offers 5 cubic feet of loading clothes to wash, and the dryer offers 7.5 cubic feet for drying, which allows for large loads while also saving time. I next wanted to get a rug that would be placed right in front of the appliance set and to work on. I chose this 3x5 modern abstract area rug by Origin 21 that has a beautiful design to help tie in all of the colors I'm using. This rug comes available in 8 different sizes, even for a large living room or another space in a home. For the corner area of this laundry room, I picked up this end table with a storage compartment and decorative golden lamp by Allen & Roth. I wanted to add some extra lighting and for any items I can easily store here. I find myself emptying pockets or removing items from clothes frequently, and this will be a great place to store them inside temporarily that I may find before washing them. For extra storage, I came across these black iron baskets by Origin 21 that allows me to store multiple items here in the laundry room or anywhere else in my home, such as in the kitchen or pantry. As I'm pouring the detergent into this glass jar for easy to pump access, I wanted to get a tray that could be placed in so no spills could smudge the top of the washer and dryer. I was able to find this 18-inch wood decorative tray by Origin 21 to place the detergent in and also be added as a decorative piece. I ended up adding this faux plant by Allen & Roth to the tray to add more color and life to this room that helped further decorate this area. These are just some of the items I was able to find with Lowe's and more through their vast and available options online that I never knew they offered. By using Lowe's online or the mobile app, items can be picked up directly from your local Lowe's for convenience. I find it's also so amazing how in-stock items can be delivered to your house same day if ordered by 2 p.m. I also really like how there's free shipping for orders over $45. If you would like to learn more about what I've shared today and to shop your unique DIY projects using top quality items from Cobalt, Project Source, Allen & Roth, and Origin 21, you can scan the QR code on the screen or visit the links to all of these in my description box below for easy access. Thank you, Lowe's, for providing so many amazing items to help everyone with their unique projects. Now let's get back to this makeover. I want to thank everyone who stopped by. It was so great to have you here and for you to spend your time with me. I'd love to hear what your favorite part of this makeover was in the comments below. If you're interested in some items I showed today to help you with your unique projects in your home, you can access these by visiting my description box below. Have an amazing day. I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care.